Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video we are going to talk about scrolling speed for your Pulsar Xlite V4 mouse. Scrolling speed simply controls how quickly the current on your screen moves up, content on your screen moves up or down when you use your mouse scroll wheel. What it does, it determines how many lines of text or how much of web page or document scrolls past for each notch to turn off your mouse wheel. So how change it? So you can do it in different ways. The first way is just to open control panel on your Windows. It's still available on 11. Find here mouse, change mouse settings, find here wheel, and here we have roll wheel one notch to scroll, so the following number of lines at a time. So on the screen at a time, one screen at a time, for example, we can change the settings here. Here we have vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling, we can change it. But there is a different way to change it. You can do that using Pulsar Gaming Gears. So open this application, find here your mouse, change the tab to performance, and here find here scrolling speed. And as you can see here, we have it on 3, for example, lines, but we can change it to 50 lines, for example, of course. And as you can see, it was or wasn't. Wait. Yeah, as you can see, it wasn't changed on the Windows, but if we will open web browser, for example, Chrome. For example, I can enter here Pulsar, right? And as you can see, oh, it doesn't work. In case I want, maybe I need to save my settings. 50, right? Reset file. Okay. And now, yeah, and now as you can see, it works really fast. So I just trying to move to move my wheel a little bit. That's it. And now I'm on the end of the page. And of course, it's not handy. I don't know why it wasn't changed here in Windows settings, but maybe it's because the gear steers my mouse firstly, and then Windows steers my mouse. So okay, but we can change it. We can change it in the Windows. We can change it here, and here, as you can see, we have a different. We have a different option. We have scroll one page. What is this? So as you can see, so there is also about scrolling speed. So if you select this, instead of scrolling a certain number of lines, each scroll wheel movement would jump the entire view to the next or previous page of content. This is a very quick way to navigate if you are dealing with content that's organized into distinct pages, but sometimes it can be really unuseful. For example, if I'll enable it here, it doesn't change. As you can see, it doesn't change something, but for example, when I'll open any document in PDF, for example, one movement on my wheel will switch the page, not the scroll down or scroll up. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe, and bye. See you.